infrastructure and manufacturing. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding National Urban Digital Mission, NUDMA. 1. It aims to build the shared digital infrastructure for improving urban to rural connectivity. 2. It has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, MOHUA, along with the Ministry of Science and Technology. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. 1. It aims to coordinate planning and execution of infrastructure projects to bring down logistics costs and reduce the turnaround time. 2. This plan will not cover electronic parks, industrial corridors, and agri-zones. 3. It endeavors to build next-generation infrastructure which improves ease of living as well as ease of doing business. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the National Industrial Corridor Program. 1. It is a program in which it is envisaged to develop new industrial cities as smart cities and to converge the next-generation technologies in the infrastructure sector. 2. The implementing agency of NICP is the National Highways Authority of India under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 3. The main purpose of industrial corridors is the industrial development and growth, while that of special economic zones, CEZ, are for the promotion of exports. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding the hybrid annuity model. 1. Under this model, the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, pays 40% of the total project expenditure and the remaining 60% amount has to be arranged by the road developer. 2. The government bears all the operations and maintenance, O&M, risks and also the full financial risks. 3. The cost of projects under the hybrid annuity model is inflation indexed. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Industry. Question 5. Consider the following statement regarding the industrial sector. 1. Production-linked incentive scheme was launched under the Atmanirbhar Bharat to boost manufacturing in India. 2. There has been a constant decline in the contribution of the industrial sector since 2011 to 2012 in gross value addition. 3. The index of 8 core industries account for around 40% weightage in the index of industrial production. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 6. Consider the following reforms regarding manufacturing in India. 1. Environmentally sustainable growth. 2. Increase in global competitiveness. 3. 100 million additional jobs by 2025. 4. 10% increase in the share of manufacturing in GDP. Which of the above are enumerated in the Make in India program of the government? A. 2, 3, and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2, 3, and 4. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 7. Consider the following pairs. 1. Industrial Revolution 1.0 steam engine. 2. Industrial Revolution 2.0 gas and oil. 3. Industrial Revolution 3.0 combustion engine. 4. Industrial Revolution 4.0 data. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 4 only. Question 8. Which of the statements given below are correct regarding the startups in India? 1. They are less than a decade-old entity with a turnover less than 100 crore in any financial year. 2. They are included in the priority sector lending norms of the RBI. 3. They are eligible for tax holidays for 3 consecutive years before or after 10 years of their inception. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 9. In relation to the production-linked incentive scheme for electronics, consider the following statements. 1. It is an outcome and growth-based model to provide incentives based on incremental production. 2. It is a WTO-compliant scheme and includes incentives for the export and value addition to the goods. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements with respect to Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Quick 1. It is an executive body to plan, promote, and develop Khadi and village industries in rural areas. 2. It is an apex organization under the Ministry of Rural Development. 3. It plays an essential role in imparting industrial-level skills to Indian youth through Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only.